first and foremost, AI within oncology is not seen as so much something that is looking to replace clinicians. Rather, AI is something as we like to call a support tool that we want to use in the field of oncology. So my research when it comes to oncology is first and foremost within the field of genetics that I worked on with Professor Pietro and Dr. Sarah Teichmann at the University of Cambridge. And there the basic concept was to transform and to see the data of different genetics data to omic data as well as EHR systems, to integrate that with machine learning models and to take those models and to then hopefully take them into a clinical decision support application come time for tomorrow, that we can actually apply research into the everyday domain of patients and therapy responses. We like to differentiate between upstream versus downstream within the field of research. And so upstream is regarding a little bit more in terms of just the research domain and not taking into the clinical trials aspect. And downstream is a little bit more hitting towards patients and the actual therapy responses with the everyday EHR data that's also been integrated to such systems. So that is within the respect of how far the scale is when we're talking about AI actually being integrated to the patient's lives and their decision making using AI. But essentially, the main premise of that differentiation is that we're still ways away from actually integrating AI into the everyday stream for clinicians. However, with research actually being conducted more so, we're planning and we're diligently working to take and to publish as many good publications as possible so that we can actually mainstream AI as much as possible when it comes to clinicians.